Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with a salt pattern trim. Pano sunroof. Rear spoiler, CLA 250, 4MATIC badging, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, multimedia package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, rear-view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. The CLA has 28,152 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.